EVS, public places. Today you are going to learn and understand about public places in our environment. We all use public places for many different purposes. Yes or no? Let us see some common public places which comes in our day-to-day use. First one, school. School is very important. It is a very important public place. Why? You come to school to learn and to gain knowledge, to study many things. You do many interesting activities. You make lot of friends. You play games. You learn art. Yes or no? Now who is the head of the school? Yes, the principal is the head of the school. Principal take cares the school. Principal look after the entire school and keep everything under the control. What is the work of the teacher? She teaches various subjects. Yes or no? What is the job of the peon? Peon keeps the school clean, rings the school bell and helps in many other small jobs. Yes or no? Now as a student, what is your duty when you come to school? You should respect your principal, teachers and peon. You should cooperate with them. You should not misuse the school properties. Yes or no? You should keep the school and your classroom neat and clean. Throw waste in the dustbin. Yes or no? Cooperate with your classmates. Behave like a good brother or a good sister. Yes or no? So I hope this point is clear to you. Next is hospital. Hospital is a place where we go and get the treatment for various illness. Yes or no? So who works for the hospital? Doctor, nurse and ward boy. The nurse is the one who take care of the patients and gives medicine according to doctor's advice. Ward boy keep the hospital clean and bring food for the patient. Yes or no? And sometimes help the nurses. Yes or no? Now, what is your job when you meet somebody at the hospital? Whenever you are coming to the hospital, you should keep quiet. You should not run here and there. You should throw the waste in the dustbins. Yes or no? And not here and there. And not outside the window. And foremost thing, you should wear a mask to protect yourself from any other disease. Yes or no? So I hope this point is clear to you. Next point, weekly market. Weekly market is a market where people sell things like household items, clothes, vegetables, fruits, flowers, sweets, etc. only once a week. In villages, there are regular weekly markets. Every 2 days or every 3 days, they have weekly market. In big cities, even though we get everything anytime we want, still weekly markets are there. So I hope this point is clear to you. Let us see the next point, bus stand. The cities have many bus stands. There are bus stands in towns and villages also. What is the work of a bus? Bus carry people from one place to another. Every bus has a conductor who gives the ticket and bus driver who drives us to our destination. Yes or no? I hope this point is clear to you. Next point. Railway station. A railway station is a place where trains stop to take passengers or travelers from one place to another. Trains carry many more passengers. Train run fast. Yes or no? Train runs between cities to cities and between country to country. Railway stations have a ticket window, information desk, reservation window, a waiting room, bathroom, dormitory, a canteen area, bookstall, benches and porters to carry our luggage. There is a TTE, that means a train ticket examiner who checks our ticket. Passengers must remember to keep the railway station clean, behave properly and use the facility with proper care. Throw waste in the dustbin, cooperate with one another. Yes or no? Do not misuse the public property. Yes or no? So I hope this point is clear to you. Let us see the next point, garden and park. Look into the image. Park is where kids play. Garden is the place where there are many beautiful flowers and the atmosphere is very cool, very quiet. One can sit and meditate in the garden. Yes or no? One can come and do the jogging. morning and in the evening. Yes, so I have shown two pics. Park is different, garden is also different. See, the garden area is full of green grass, beautiful flowers, tall trees, and benches for people to sit and relax. Attached to the garden, there is a park for the children to play. There are swings, slides, seesaws, merry-go-rounds, gyms, and open space to play games. There is also a pathway for people to walk or jog. So whenever you are going to a park or a garden, what is your main job? You should not pluck flowers. Yes or no? You should not pluck flowers. You should not throw waste here and there. You should throw the waste only in the dustbin. Yes or no? Do not misuse public property. Yes or no? Yes. So I hope this point is clear to you. Let us see the next point. Historical places. Historical places are those important places that have been a part of our country for years. It is these historical places that tourists from all over the world come to see as they represent our country. For example, Taj Mahal. People come to visit Taj Mahal, and where it is? It is in our India. Yes or no? Yes. So when we visit monuments, palace and forts, we learn about the history and importance and feel proud for our country. Yes or no? We should not write on the walls when we visit monuments, palace and forts, nor we should litter the area around. Litter means do not throw waste here and there. Okay, we must remember to keep all the historical places clean and behave in a disciplined manner when visiting them. So in short, whenever you are in a public place, behave properly, throw waste in the dustbin, do not misuse the public properties, do not damage the public properties. These are the basic things which you are learning in this chapter. Now let us see the next point. Post office. We can send and receive letters from our friends and relatives through a post office. Though we are using mobile phones, Android phones, iPhones, we are using phones these times, still post office is there. There are still many people who use post office. They send and receive letters. Okay, so post office is a place where we can send and receive letters from our friends and relatives through a post office. Now postman receives the letter in the letter box, and after reading the address on the envelope, delivers the letter to us. So postman brings the letters, postman brings the parcel to us. Next one, the post office gives us with envelopes, stamps, postcards, inland letters and postage stamps. We can also send money orders. These days we can pay telephone bills and open a post office saving account. Yes or no? Yes. So I hope this point is clear to you. Let us see the next point, banks. Banks help us by keeping our money safe for us. Do you have a bank account? You may not have, but your parents are having. Yes or no? When we receive money, we can deposit in a bank account. If we need money, we can go to the bank and withdraw the money we have saved. We have ATM for withdrawing the money. Yes or no? Yes. So bank is very useful for us. Bank is a very needed thing for us. Yes or no? We cannot keep lot of money at our house. Yes. So I hope this point is clear to you. Let us see the next point. Theater. We go to a theater or to the cinema to watch movies on big screen. We can eat popcorns, sandwiches, samosas and drink juice, tea or coffee while watching the movie. Why? Because there is canteen below. Yes or no? Yes. So I hope this point is clear to you. Let us see the next point. Auditorium. Auditorium, plays, magic shows, musical and dance programs like annual fest, annual gatherings takes place on a stage in auditoriums. While watching these programs, people do not drink or eat in the auditorium. They can eat or drink in the interval break that takes place during the show. So I hope this point is clear to you. Next one, library. A library is a place where you will find many different types of books, magazines and newspapers. We can borrow these books for a certain period of time for a small fee. So everybody should have reading habit. You should take membership in the library. You have library in your school also. Yes or no? Sometime just take a round in the library. You will find many interesting books. So I hope this chapter is clear to you. Thank you.